let's convert a disjunction into an equivalent conditional statement. First, reminder that a disjunction is an or statement. So often we write as P or Q in terms of symbols, right? So the symbol for disjunction and or is a V. So every conditional can be written as a disjunction. So we can kind of go back and forth. So given a disjunction, so if we have P or Q, how to write this as a conditional is we first negate the first statement, right? So here's our piece. We negate the first, which would make this a negative P, and the second remains unchanged. So these are equivalent. If we have P or Q, that means if not P, then Q. Okay, that's how we write a disjunction as a conditional, and vice versa. So let's think this through. I'm giving you 4 different disjunctions here, and we are going to write equivalent conditionals. So remember, we negate the first piece, make it a conditional, second stays the same. So P or Q, if not P, then Q. If we go to not P or Q, well, negate the first piece, P. So if I have not P or Q, then if P, then Q is my conditional. If I have P or not Q, well, I negate the first piece. Second piece stays the same. So if not P, then not Q. And the last one, not P or not Q, so I negate. If P, then not Q. So just remember, negate the first piece and keep the second the same, change to a conditional. So what is the conditional statement equivalent to not R or M? Okay, negate not R, that's R, change to a conditional, second piece stays the same. R, if R, then M. Now let's do this with words. Consider the following statement. Either I will wear contacts or I will wear glasses. Write this as an equivalent conditional statement. Okay, so when we think about, here's the first part, right? First. Here is the second. So what do? We negate the first part. If I do not wear contacts, then, keep the second the same, then I will wear glasses. So remember that a conditional is an if-then statement, right? So when I negate, I will wear contacts. Well, to negate that means I will not, right? So if I do not wear contacts, or if I will not wear contacts, then I will wear glasses, right? I need corrective lenses of some type. So just keep that in mind. We negate the first, second stays the same. And that is how we change from a disjunction to a conditional.